Hello everyone, welcome to War Robots. This is a fun tactical game where you control a hangar of 5 robots. Here I chose Gareth because the mode is Beacon Rush, which means you have to capture beacons. By doing so, you get to win. Gareth is my fastest robot, which means that I can get to the beacon much quicker than I would with any of my other robots. To my left here is an Ares. An Ares can activate a shield which makes it invincible for a short time, then activates both and weapons. Now a Bogasauri dashes to the beacon. A Bogasauri has a physical shield just like me, and it also has some dashes. Here I fire a couple of rockets and here Haichi dashes into me, which is pretty funny. Rockets, you can fire them all at once, but doing so, it really takes a long time to reload them. Now here is a Leech. This is one of the best robots in the whole game. But for some reason he didn't use his ability, which means he's done for. Now, I want to damage this guy because the rockets have an area of effect, but it wasn't very effective because of the cover. Now, for my right, someone is lasering me, and for my left too, so I want to block the guy from the right, which works, and all the damage that would be going into me was all blocked by my physical shield. Here's the area from before. Didn't activate the shield, probably not necessary. Now, I want to capture the beacon all the way over there to where my target is. When my physical shield is not up front, I'm running a bit quicker, so that's why I'm doing it all like this. Now I do activate it because I want to fire at this Ares. For some reason, he also doesn't use his ability, just like the Leech before. I really have no idea why, but he's also done for. Now, I saw that someone was lasering at me, so I tried to block it. My physical shield broke, and I thought, yeah, no saving this. So, I respawned at the center beacon. Yeah, that's a quick step. But I'm waiting here for a bit. Now I will respawn with Fenrir. This is a very tanky robot. If we look in the upper left, he has a green health bar, which has a lot of health, and a physical shield. I mean an Aegis shield. That's basically a shield protecting against every kind of weapon. Now this may sound a little funny, but the weapons to my left and right are literally called Corona, so yeah, funny coincidence. Now Chun landed here, and Chun can fly, as you just saw. I'm activating my ability, which means I get defense points. Defense points are basically incoming damage is reduced by a bit, so instead of 100% of the damage, I will get around 50%. Now I tried to protect this guy over here with my Aegis shield, but my Aegis shield wasn't necessary because the guy over there needed to reload, which is fine. Now I'm trying to protect the same guy from before, which works. He tries to jump away, but I'm keeping my line of sight so I can fire a little more at him. And someone up there was also lasering at him, finishing the job. Now you may wonder, but what am I doing running into this wall over here? Well, above me is a beacon that I wanted to capture with that guy from before who lasered him. As you can see, it works because it's beacon B. Beacon C, however, gets captured by the enemy team since it's turning red. Now, I tried to walk away, but my Viper, like the big gun on top of me, got stuck, so that was unfortunate. Now, this is just a little boring walking sequence. You have a lot of these in War Robots. Now, here they respawn with a lot of bots, and I tried to help, but oh well, victory.